Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Champaign County, southern Logan County, Clark County, northeastern Montgomery County, southeastern Miami County, until 8:15 a.m. At 7:28 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near DeGrasse to near Vandalia, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include New Jerusalem, South Vienna, Millerstown, Kaiser Lake State Park, New Carlisle, Terre Haute, Dial 10, West Mansfield, East Liberty, St. Paris, Buck Creek State Park, North Lewisburg, Harmony, Lisbon, Pickrelltown, Lippincott, Snyderville, Mutual, New Moorfield, and Plattsburgh. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 34 and 68. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 61 and 62. Here is a hazardous weather outlook for the following: Champaign, Clark, Delaware,